All right, good morning. And welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Selbert. Well, apologies for the previous video. Surprisingly, when we were done with the whole production, there was a slight part of the file now corrupted and me sure say the audio quality I produce or Selbert Studios. You realize that the last video needs our quality nibi, but we managed to still get you the video in such a way that we bet me at year. And a paying some kakra or higher de bremono, and I had a dry de besomo and ne ukwadano pay. Well, the Ghana Premier League, and then a deadline for transfer, and a 22nd, exactly 11:59. Not transfer na barrier. There's a team for player in Bewuram. Team for player in free baby mba. And a team for player and count team on. It means that today is going to be a busy day for Ghana Premier League clubs. Specifically, Asante-Kotoko, because official announcement of the left back in Yegusua air train. Nana Akwasi Asante. And Akwasi Asante. Yegusua air train. The leadership of the club have settled on him, and he's the player they are going to work with. The technical team so confirm I'm a approver. I'm a BBR Koye. So the headache. I mean, we'll take our time and do a proper analysis of Kotoko's transfer. They say one goalkeeper in Benjamin Chum, one right back in Daniel Ajete, three attackers in Isaac Minta, Samson Aduku, and Kwame Poku. We are expecting two today. Mienu eni eshe enim se beba. One left back / left winger and one center back. We say Kotoko center back options no. Akabaku. So the management of Asante-Kotoko paid so much attention to the attack of Asante-Kotoko and then the defense. Well, transfer is an interesting conversation. Benra, news we were told you on Bernardino Osai Tete. Oko Midiema, Ose Jesse number 11, or a left winger. Last season, last year, transfer window no. Asante-Kotoko corner hon only Derek Fodio and a Godfred Arban na Kotoko pe 2 at the free Midiama. Midiama penny for catcher Kotoko for point blank said Debbie. They are not releasing any of these players to join Asante-Kotoko. Emma Midiama penny for crash started contract extension conversation with a Godfred Arban. Unfortunately, Arban the pra, you've not been really seeing him this season for a year Midiama. And also, Abrante and Derek Fojo recently, Black Galaxies no wombi. So I can confirm it to you this morning that pending any last minute changes, Kotoko, as I speak to you, have not officially submitted a bid for Bernardino Saitete, confirmed. Yeah, the man on Porcupine Stand. Yes, he's a good player. I mean, we all love to have him. Kotoko a left winger. Obia ye watching the BM wa pass it. We look at the Kotoko team and Dauda Saka, Peter Aqua, Fernando Wisdom Bassi, all these players who can operate from the wing. Some of your players are the simple narrative is that omoya right footed. And in the game of football, you need varieties. We ma we kakra. Now we are intimate. They were kind of one way. To a steady team, yeah, they always have a left footed. I mean, Manchester City, Salvino, Chelsea, Kopama Moho, Motimi Dan Ho Benkum Ho Kakra, Mohamed Salah for Chelsea for Liverpool, Bukayo Saka, Odegaard. Almost the different options, different flavor. Oko United, Anthony, Ahmad. So what in common I say. So Barcelona, Rafinha. And I Madrid, Brahim Diaz. You bet me aboba, you boba club bia. When you be a dabbing kumwa or no j no one train Bayern Munich or Mama Olise. Oh, no mama Leroy Sani. No mean I left footed, no the right for not complimenting to your kaboom. Na aboa ma bibia etimi eden akwaye. So I know Kotoko fans will love to have that, but the bottom line is, at the moment, the IMC did not settle on any left winger. Rather, Asante and in certain moment when the amane deal na cheni ITC, which you expect a bar, then he can operate as a left winger and also as a left back. That was Asante-Kotoko project. And then Asante-Kotoko be trained and opani area based on information ekutain. So mysterious ebeko. Na I mean the big questions and why uncle could training grounds. Ye in chantro ha. Ye koya uncle. But then why yan TSF Fred Kasari aba. I mean Asari is back. The bigger question around Asari will be his contract extension. Whether Asari will indeed extend his contract for Asante-Kotoko or not. That is the big question. I bet answer in due course when it comes to the affairs of Akwasi Asante-Kotoko. Also signing 3 years, what about 2.5? Tiaka half. But Nana Penkrako we know he will definitely take the right decision when it comes to the affairs of Asante-Kotoko. And then Yebekwa Kwashe say Minta will officially start Basi Ebeba. Awuchi Beba. I mean, these are players who are likely to return. For Albert Amwa and Ninuya Kote, they are out for a long time. So, Basi, Awuchi, Minta, these are the players. Friday, na Kobo. Now, I know most of you had issues with our audio. A breaky story concerning the center back Asante-Kotoko for pe. The Ababeke team. No, narrate the whole story. Emma Motiasi. To our share no video, no, you can stay clue or you can stay cool. Yeah, an additional info Babeka based on Nkoma Yedin and Numrea at the Ababisi and now pay. 1. Asante-Kotoko officially after Menua Meka, the story of the Kotoko scouts going to a year Kukurentumi and the last game on boy against Nagod. Ewo Akosumbono. Asante-Kotoko scouts ni big tunko PM Akosumbo to watch a matches in True Democracy or United and an God. Info kutam sa matches yi Asante-Kotoko scouts eko shebi e monitor branch ya your friend Michael Sefa of Port City FC. Asante-Kotoko scouts ne monitor no. Na media two anim say officially Oma submitted bid no edi akwa komo no. So what you say? Kotoko scout na amane be the first option. But the woman amede two anim ne very simple. Information ekuta me ye say ene dua yi. The leaders of Port City FC Nana Oduro Safo on the lead. Obenya Kofi JJ Jerry of Angel FM also a key stakeholder. Our Port City FC. Info ekutamene say omo reps no bebe Kumasi to meet the IMC of Asante-Kotoko together with Michael Sefa. Nti eno ade the catch him say na Kotoko monitor no ama na ba be that top of the radar. The dawa ye de mama numre ni anopai ni say impenifo move forward. Ama after the approval from the Asante-Kotoko technical team, they've placed a call to the leaders of Port City FC to start negotiations with them. Amaya negotiations on the phone, but they may picking and say Bibian Bebomwa. Definitely the player Eba Bepimo Kumasi ene for the last minute transfer move from a Division 1 club based in Zone 3 to Kumasi Asante-Kotoko. That is the story. Intiene is expected that Kotoko secretariat be busy pa. Because Penny 4 did say, I'm a fan of them back one as a center backs now 4. Into goalkeepers in 4. Fatau Seydou Benjamin Chum Fred Kasari Mohamed Kamara. Right back Daniel Ajete Lord Amoa. Left back Nana Akwasi Asante together with Patrick Esiedu. Centre back Samba O'Neil, Joseph Fablo, Henry Ansu, and possibly Abrante friend Michael Sefa. No about completing. I have 4 centre backs. Defensive midfield. Solomon Kwakusai, Samuel Tinedu, and Justice Blay. Box to box. Andrews Intimenu, Michael Che Jamana, Emmanuel Entry. Number 10. Samson Aduku, Isaac Minta, Babayaya Emmanuel Entry. Where the dash sheet in the Susania or Mashisha positions. Wingers, Dauda Saka. Isaac Minta Dinko PMO. Albertamu Din PMO. Samson Aduku Din PMO. Fernando Wisdom Basi Peter. Peter Aqua. And a center forward. Nobody need to tell you. Elvis Cheba for Kwame Poku, Isaac Minta, Samson Aduku, Albert Amwa. So that will be the squad depth with Jordan Emisa Ovoka also support to the wings. Asante Kotoko in Shishim. So, and a secretariat be busy and Jemo Breni Bebre. But the Kotoko technical team are convinced after the report from the scouting team of Asante Kotoko concerning a new man Asante Kotoko technical team ni share him from what we call a center back. He's a young center back, but a matured with Division 1 experience. Actually, say we say no. Kakrabe Sheshe Kotoko for enye better because Port City were plans of qualifying. Oko zone 3 now. At our top 4. They are in the top 4. They have a chance of qualifying. Ubinya Hohoi, Ubinya Great Olympics, when you Port City mo, say Omunyana edited the Hobia. And that is the story. Michael Sefa is the name. You catch them on ra, but you intimi, I intimi am bodini ye. But an idea you remu. As had the appeals to say, Kotoko a place call. I initial negotiations. But the net omubeshia, no my face-to-face convo. Now medicals, if all factors are complete, medicals etimi atwaso. Now medicals ne twaswa. The unveiling and signing are the next topic on the discussion. Now Michael Sefa Ababaye warrior. It is reported, according to my sources, that he will probably sign more than 2.5. On only contracting in 2.5 the NB. About more than 2.5 when it comes to the affairs of the Porcupine Warriors, that is Krobia Akwasi Asante Kotoko. Ono any Akwasi Asante and ebe conclude the options for Asante Kotoko when it comes to the signing. Yaka we are fear so much. I say better luck next time. We are fear end to me. Okay, men cast went to me and make it a grade because but Kotoko and signing no. And now the deal is off. You catch them. And then there will be no shocking air transfer. Shocking transfer ni Sefa-Details. Ya bone bede ediama mo ye tintin koko. Yemfa ni video kakra bi nto aso mfa mamo. Na entimi mboa ema bibia entimi nko yie. Wo, na me ado mo chena mom. And Asante Kotoko team ni be meet the press. But Kotoko Karela game no. Expect a new form of air communication. Asante Kotoko echita afo no. Ene eye ye kind of say omo team no omo ba be wura mu pa na omo move round na chairman K5 mo any ade ba be move round akoto to speak to the media on how they can get Kotoko supporters to come and watch Kotoko Go Stars. A headache man, I mean the major source of revenue for Asante Kotoko. Enye kasa bebre ade kind of say gate. And Kwakwa say though Kotoko is winning, but we are not seeing much of you guys at a stadium and team penny for the Nyoma and how they can get you. So that is the Kotoko transfer. And Francis Sakwa Emmanuel Boahin. I'm repeating it. Bechim for national heading. Omi Romutam so Munjemu Asante Kotoko and Kotoko for options. Enough this morning. Area after 12. A hope is an announcement. Remember. na yetimi aba abɛdan da akyire de ama on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.